What are FPV drones? Remote vision piloting, or immersion piloting, is a procedure that consists of directing something that flies, remotely controlled by means of a remote video camera, and a screen or glasses. It can be your smartphone, your tablet, or TV. This procedure is called FPV, for first-person view. This discipline was reserved for the robotics industry, as well as for drone armies, like this one and this one. But with the advances in technology, and especially a decline in the manufacturing costs of micro cameras, immersion piloting has relatively democratized since 2006. Parts of the FPV equipment. The FPV equipment consists of several parts: the video emitter, commonly known as a video transmitter or VTX, the video receiver, which in our case will be the FPV goggles or a monitor with an integrated FPV receiver, or your smartphone, and the FPV camera that will send the image thanks to the transmitter. We will also have the antennas, which play a fundamental role in our equipment. And by the way, here is the best FPV drone. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.